हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू डेटा एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। आप एज कहीं पे डेटा एनालिस्ट वर्क कर रहे हैं, सीनियर डेटा एनालिस्ट वर्क कर रहे हैं या लुकिंग टू स्विच अ जॉब और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, देन दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट वॉच फॉर यू। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज एंड सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। और अगर आपके पास पाइथन, सीक्वल, पावर बीआई, टैबलू या किसी अदर डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन टूल या डेटा एनालिसिस टूल का एक्सपीरियंस है, देन दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वॉचिंग। And the jobs I've collected in today's video are mix up jobs of experienced and fresher. तो अगर experienced job सर्च कर रहे हैं या fresher के लिए job सर्च कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो पूरा देखिएगा। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले, for my new audience, let me introduce myself. My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. And time to time आपको अपने videos के through, Instagram page के through, Facebook page के through job updates available कराता रहता हूँ। So in future, if you do not want to lose out a single job opportunity related to domain like business analytics, data science, Power BI developer, or Python developer role, सब्सक्राइब दिस यूट्यूब चैनल राइट अवे, फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माय फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी एक डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहां पे आपको डेली बेसिस पे मिलते हैं इन डोमेन से रिलेटेड जॉब्स अलोंग विद द जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। अगर आप डेली बेसिस पे जॉब नोटिफिकेशन पाना चाहते हैं देन फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज। अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। और अगर आप मुझसे कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, कोई असिस्टेंट चाहते हैं, मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स के लिंक्स भी अवेलेबल हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो डू चेक दैट। और अगर इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड आपको कोई फीडबैक है, सजेशन है, तो आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं या फिर कमेंट में भी अपना फीडबैक मेंशन कर सकते हैं। अब बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे या रेगुलरली जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें इन डोमेन्स रिलेटेड, देन डू प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर इट विद योर नीडी फ्रेंड्स। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं और किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं। लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन।
फ्रेंड्स आगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ डेटा एनालिस्ट, फ्रेशर, एक्सपीरियंस और इंटर्न। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहां पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स अलोंग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। तो अगर आप कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस आउट नहीं करना चाहते हैं देन डू फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज विक्टोरिया स्ट्रीट इन कंपनी, हायरिंग फॉर डेटा एनालिस्ट, एक्सपीरियंस 1 to 3 years, जॉब लोकेशन इज इन बेंगलुरु, salary competitive, education bachelor's degree in science, engineering, computers applications. About the role, the analyst will be responsible for data coordination and transformation support of large analytical projects, collaborate with the data reporting teams as well as functional partners to coordinate the collection and management of required data, use Python, SAS, SQL, Excel and other relevant technologies to deliver analytics, answer business problems using a mix of descriptive, exploratory analysis and storytelling using visualization. And if I talk about the technical skills, as mentioned above, Python, SAS, SQL, Excel, experience in Excel, VB and PowerPoint would be mandatory. VB and other relevant technologies, experience in working with large raw data sets and developing procedures to streamline data collection and management, collaborate with team members to integrate data sources, ensuring data integrity and consistency. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you find yourself suitable for the job post, you can click on this link that is available in the description box. Let's move to the second job, which is for the company name KONNECT Technologies, hiring for data analyst fresher, experience 0 to 2 years, job location is in Mumbai, salary 3 to 4 lakhs per annum, and education bachelor's degree in business administration, finance, economics or related field. Roles and responsibilities: ability to translate business requirements into functional specification documents, perform gaps analysis with the assistance of other team members, followed by building dashboards so that end users can visualize the same on their mobile device in real time. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform. And if I talk about technical skills, experience 0 to 2 years in relevant field, you should have analytical skills and experience working with data sets. Knowledge of MongoDB and JavaScript would be a big plus. Familiarity with Excel will be great. Knowledge of Python and SQL is required, intermediate level. If you enjoy working with data sets and can adapt to fast-paced learning environment, you will find yourself right at home. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. So if you're looking to start your career as a fresher in this domain, then definitely you can apply with this employer. And the link is available in the description box to apply. Let's move to the third job for the company name EXPEDIA, hiring for partner insight analyst, experience 2 to 3 years, job location is in Gurgaon, salary competitive, education bachelor's or master's degree in relevant field. And if I talk about the role, utilize analytical techniques to examine structured and unstructured data, extracting meaningful insight from it, surface actionable insights to remove functional points, increase revenue, reduce costs, strengthen relationships and enhance satisfaction with the Expedia brand. Further leverage text analytics tools like Clarabridge, Qualtrics, XM Discover to extract insights from partner listing posts, survey response and conversation, and work with leading CX platforms such as Qualtrics or Medilia to gather partner feedback and live survey data. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform over here. And if I talk about technical skills, proven experience in data analysis you should have with the ability to stitch large disparate data. Further proficiency in languages and tools such as SQL, R, Python, Tableau, and Power BI. Solid understanding of customer experience methodologies. Excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, to convey complex insights in a clear and understandable manner. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you have experience of 1 to 2 years or more than 2 years, then definitely you can apply for the job post. And this link is available in the description box. Let's move to the fourth job, which is for the company named Target, hiring for data analyst, experience 1+ years. Job location is in Bangalore. Education BA, BS or equivalent experience, and salary is 4 to 7 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. Roles and responsibilities: creating measurable insights from the data to be shared, documenting calculations, code and erroring to data management policies, validating and testing data assets of others in the form of peer review, exploring statistical analysis that could be applied to the data, ability to work independently to turn business problems into data solutions, and further support data infrastructure activities such as connecting, standardizing, and automating various data sources. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if I talk about the required skills: demonstrated leader in knowledge and application of data reporting and analytics, proficient with various programming languages such as SQL, R, or Python, proficiency with a relational and non-relational database, stay current with the new and evolving technologies, logics like and or not, descriptive and inferential statistics, calculus, weighted averages. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills you need to perform. And for this role, you can click on this link that is available in the description box. Fifth company in the list is ASTEGIC, hiring for data analyst, experience 0 to 1 year. Job location is in Jaipur and Pune. Education bachelor's degree in technology or master's degree in computer applications, and salary they have not disclosed, but that would be competitive. If we'll talk about the roles and responsibilities: build and test metrics using SQL data stores, build, test, and deploy reports and interactive dashboards leveraging the same metrics, process, cleanse, and verify data integrity for analysis, interpret data and analyze results using statistical techniques and drive, provide ongoing reports, develop and implement database, data collection systems, data analytics, and other strategies, further acquire data from primary or secondary data source and maintain database, and further identify, analyze, and interpret trends of patterns in complex data sets. If I talk about the required skills, you should have good experience in SQL, especially PostgreSQL or Oracle SQL, strong Microsoft Office skills, especially Word and Excel, knowledge of OPS, that is object oriented programming, skills at queries, reporting, writing, and presenting findings, and support the data warehouse in identifying and revising reporting requirements. So these are some technical skills this company is looking for. And if you are fulfilling this requirement and okay for roles and responsibilities, you can click on this link that is available in the description box to apply. Let's move to the sixth job, which is for the company name Oracle, hiring for technical data analyst, experience 0 to 1 year. Location is in Bangalore, work mode hybrid, education BTech, MTech in any discipline, salary no bar for right candidate. Roles and responsibilities: as a technical solution analyst, your role involves conducting investigation on front-end applications. This includes capturing information, applying fixed tools, shadowing end users, and testing a workflow internally and externally. Backend techniques to be used including captures, log files, query tables, and updating database. Further, by prioritizing work based on severity, you'll strike a balance between client and business needs. And if I talk about the experience and technical skills this company is looking for, so if you are a fresher, you can apply for the job post, but you should have good knowledge on SQL, that is mandate. Python would be a plus. Readiness to work during the shift. So there is a shift timing as well. If you're comfortable with the shift timing, you can apply for the job post. Outstanding interpersonal abilities and adopt at efficient communication with collaborators across various regions of the globe. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you're okay with the job post, you can click on this link to apply. Now let's move to the seventh job, which is for the company name Redaptive, hiring for business intelligence or data analyst, experience 0 to 3 years. Job location is in Pune. Education bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, data analytics, or equivalent field. Salary will be discussed according to the current CTC. And if I talk about the roles and responsibilities: organizational data and analytics needs using Tableau, Prep, SQL, and Python. Reports and dashboards in Tableau for all stakeholders that would help in strategic decision making. Automate the recurring reports using Tableau, Python, or SQL to eventually save time to recurring tasks, and create functional and technical documentation of the end-to-end data projects, including back-end and front-end aspects. And for this job role, you need to have 0 to 3 years of experience of extracting, analyzing data sets using SQL, strong skills in manipulating data in using SQL, Tableau, and Tableau Prep, experiencing in creating dashboards from scratch, and experiencing in data manipulation and ETL process. And if you're good to go with the job location, required skills, and roles and responsibilities, you can click on this link that is available in the description box. Eth Company in the list is Capital One, hiring for data analyst, experience 0 to 2 years. Job location is in Bangalore, and salary they have mentioned competitive. Roles and responsibilities: data analysis and statistical modeling and forecasting, machine learning solution development, web and customer experience analytics, data mining and pattern recognition analysis, further drive process improvements, operational efficiencies, and proficiency in SQL, Python, R, and other languages. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform over here. And if I talk about the required skills, first of all, you need to have good experience in SQL, Python, or any language, exceptional self-driven motivation, desire to build deep subject matter expertise, good logical, analytical, quantitative, reasonable skills, good interpersonal leadership and communication skills. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you're okay with both, you can click on this link that is available in the description box. Let's move to the final job of the day for the company name Ember, hiring for product analyst intern, experience 0 to 2 years. Job location is in Pune, education BTech, MTech from a recognized university, and salary is competitive. Roles and responsibilities: developing and maintain database data systems. You need to generate dynamic dashboards and reports, performing analysis to assess quality and meaning of data, identify, analyze, and interpret patterns and trends in complex data sets that could be helpful for the diagnosis and prediction. So these are some roles and responsibilities. And if I talk about the required skills, proficiency in Postgre, Redshift, data analysis using Google Sheet and Python, ability to understand and articulate analytics insights, ability to work with large datasets and write efficient SQL queries to perform ETL, understanding of Tableau, good communication skills, experience in machine learning, willingness to learn and adopt new technologies, and familiarity with AWS stack. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you're okay with technical skills and roles and responsibilities to be performed in this company, you can apply for the job post by clicking on this link. So friends, these are 9 jobs for the week, and I hope you like the video. In case the jobs are helpful for you or your friend, then definitely you can press the like button so that I can keep on posting new videos. And you can also share this video to your needy friends as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.